एहसास न्याय का सबके लिए, आकाश न्याय का सबके लिए.
Hello viewers, I am Advocate Annalise Fernandez and I welcome you all to this episode of Virtual Juridicare series hosted by Goa State Legal Services Authority. Well, on 3rd March 2021, we had the observance of World Wildlife Day. This day was observed under the theme Forests and Livelihoods, Sustaining People and Planet, as a way to highlight the central role of forests, forest species and ecosystems services in sustaining the livelihoods of hundreds and millions of people globally, and particularly of indigenous and local communities with historic ties to forested adjacent areas. The North and South Goa District Legal Services Authority organized painting competitions for the students of legal literacy clubs to observe World Wildlife Day, and the theme for painting was Protection of Wildlife, and we have the prize winners. The first prize was awarded to Ms. Saisha Vasudev Devkar of GS Amonkar Vidya Mandir, Mapsa. Second prize was awarded to Ms. Anuradha Ajay Pai of Mustifan High School, Kuzra, Santa Cruz. And the third prize went to Master Jagdish Shekhar Shirodkar of Mustifan High School, Santa Cruz, Kuzra. In the South, we have first prize awarded to Ezra Fernandez of Our Lady Mother of the Poor High School, Kepe. Second prize awarded to Joyran Fernandez of Our Lady Mother of Poor High School, Kepe. And third prize went to Anjum Akialur of Government High School, Vasco. Congratulations to all the winners. On the occasion of the forthcoming International Day of Women, which is celebrated on 8th of March 2021, we have with us today Srimati Dipali D. Naik, the Director of Women and Child Development, Goa, who will address the viewers on the occasion of International Women's Day on the topic of empowering the women. Srimati Dipali D. Naik is one Goan woman who has made it to the top through sheer grit and determination. She joined Government Department in the year 1996 as Goa Civil Service Group B Gazette Officer, Sales Tax Officer in Margao, Vasco, Ponda and Panjim. Thereafter, she has been posted on gazetted posts in various government departments like Assistant Commissioner Excise, Assistant Commissioner Commercial Taxes, Deputy Collector, District Recovery Officer, and so on and so forth. Presently posted as a Director of Women and Child Department, Panjim. Srimati Dipali D. Naik has been felicitated by many clubs such as JCs, Samrat, Lions, NGO, BNI Goa Chapter, and organizations, and received many mementos for best service to the society. She has been associated and worked for many committees formed by the department and chairperson of many committees, and also member of GCCI Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries Women Wing member for the block 2017 to 2019. So without any delay, I welcome Srimati Dipali T. Naik and request her to share her insights on today's topic.
Hello, I am Dipali Naik, Director Women and Child. Friends, we are in the month of March and shortly we will be celebrating International Women's Day. Directorate of Women and Child functions to give much needed impetus to the holistic development of women and children. This directorate has central and state government schemes for welfare and growth of the upliftment of the women and children. The state and central acts are being implemented to safeguard women and children in the society. Here, to make the people convenient, people in the society convenient, schemes are digitized, and customer beneficiaries can avail the benefit of those things. Scheme for welfare of children in need and care of protection. Grantee Need scheme to provide financial assistance to Mahila Mandals, Swavlamban. Financial incentives to mothers who deliver child Mamta. intern scheme for students for counseling, psychology, social work, home science, etc., shelter home for women, and retirement benefit scheme for Anganwadi workers and helpers. The schemes are digitized for use of this exclusive use of this directorate. The internship scheme for students of counseling, psychology, social work, home science, etc. Under the scheme, every year this directorate invites applications from the interns, candidates who have post-graduated freshly, and place them in various departments and also in shelter homes, also in interns counselor, as an interns counselor, and stipend of 15,000 is paid to the interns. Department is having another scheme which is Foster scheme, which is Vatsalya. This scheme provides non-institutional care for the children in need in care and protection. During the financial year, this department has placed 3 children in the foster care. However, the foster families have not claimed any incentives, allowance from the department under this scheme. But this scheme provides 2,500 rupees per month stipend to the family who undertakes the foster scheme. Financial assistance to mother who delivers girl child, Mamta scheme, state scheme. Scheme is aimed to improve female child sex ratio in state. An amount of 10,000 as one-time financial incentive is paid to the woman or to the mothers who deliver a girl child, and it is for the 2 living children, 2 deliveries in registered medical institutions. During the year, 1,959 beneficiaries have received the benefit. This department is having another ICDS scheme wherein supplementary nutrition program is effectively implemented. Supplementary nutrition program under Anganwadi service schemes aims at implementing the nutritional intake of children between 6 months to 6 years, pregnant women and lactating mothers. During the initial lockdown enforced by the Government of India due to COVID-19 pandemic, the Anganwadis were closed down. Since then, department has distributed supplementary nutrition in form of take-home ration to 3 to 6 years children. Cooked food which was served in the Anganwadis have been stopped since then. Department is also supplying micronutritional health supplement to children in the age of 3 to 6 who are registered in Anganwadis. Supplement helps to reduce malnutrition, fight illness and has other benefits. During the year 21, an average of 66,063 beneficiaries received supplementary nutrition, of which 12,629 are pregnant ladies, lactating mothers, 34,180 children are age of 6 months to 3 years, and 3 to 6 years, 19,254. Pradhan Mantri Matrutva Vandana Yojana scheme. In this, it is a maternity benefit scheme program wherein cash incentive of 5,000 in 3 installments, 1,000 at the time of registration of pregnancy, 2,000 at the time of immunization and 2,000 after delivery is credited directly into the bank account of eligible pregnant mother and lactating mother for first living child of the family, subject to their fulfillment of specific conditions relating to the maternal and child health. Poshan Abhiyan is Government of India's flagship scheme aimed to improve nutritional outcome of children, adolescent girls, pregnant women and lactating mothers in 60-40 sharing pattern. Up to December, in every Anganwadis, we conduct 2 CBEs, community-based events, and total 4,230 community events were conducted in Anganwadi centers. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. This scheme seeks to address the issue of decline of child sex ratio and aims at preventing gender biased sex selective elimination, ensuring survival and protection of girl child, and ensuring education and participation of girl child through awareness programs. Child Protection Service. Child Protection Service is aimed at building a protective environment for children in difficult circumstances as well as other vulnerable children through government civil society partnership. The scheme caters to child in need in care and protection and also as well child in conflict with law. At present, there are 61 registered institutions in state of Goa and 655 children are availing benefits, services and taken care of. The Goa State Commission for Protection of Child Rights has organized a series of trainings, web lectures on mental well-being of children in time of COVID-19, prioritizing issues, care and protection during COVID-19 for children in difficult circumstances, navigating through juvenile justice system in times of COVID-19, protecting and empowering children with disabilities and understanding child protection mechanism in Goa. Grah Aadhar scheme is a state scheme wherein 1,500 will be disbursed in the account of the beneficiary woman who is a housewife, and this year 1,30,535 eligible beneficiaries have been availed this benefit, which empowers the woman to have cater to the expenditure of her own needs. Other scheme is Swavalamban scheme, which is financial assistance to Mahila Mandals. 41 Mahila Mandal self-help groups have been released grant to the tune of 12 lakhs for the financial year 2021, and this department is having 437 Angan self-help groups registered under this scheme. Ladli Lakshmi scheme is another important state government scheme wherein 1 lakh amount is disbursed to the girl child at the time of marriage or for further studies or for doing some entrepreneurship. And at present till now 66,627 applications have been sanctioned since inception. This department has taken another initiative of Mahila Shakti Kendra. Under this scheme, the Agnel Entrepreneurship Development Institution Verna is authorized as project implementing agency to undertake activities under the State Resource Center for Women, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao programs, district level center for women in North Goa and South Goa. Activities are initiated with effect from 20, and this helps to cater training to the ladies in the self-help group, individual entrepreneurship, so that the women in society can be empowered and become a self-dependent. Our department is also having one-stop centers in North and South. In North, it is in the GMC, and in South, it is in the Junta Quarters, Pajipon, wherein children, these victims' women are placed for first 5 days, and also we undertake 181 helpline and we cater to the victims' need and protection of the women's rights. I thank Goa Legal Service Authority for giving me this opportunity.
It is believed that healthy and educated and empowered women and girls are agents of change. When women and girls are supported, they gain opportunities to speak up for their rights and also to advocate for their communities. They are also able to rise in social standing, and they can feed this into future generations. Thank you, Madam, for the very informative session. Thank you, viewers, for tuning into this session. I wish you all a very happy Women's Day. Before we end this session, a kind reminder to all, do like and share this video. And to all those who have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe. Thank you very much.
राष्ट्रीय न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण
न्यायालयातल्या कारवाई खातीर बरो वकील मेळोवन दिता.
वेळार योग्य कायदा खालची मदत आणि सल्लो दिता
लोक अदालत द्वारा चड काळच्या केसीक बेगीन सोपयता.
आणि ते बी सामके मोफत.
राष्ट्रीय न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण बेस बरो न्याय बेस बरो समाज.
अधिक माहिती खातीर लागच्या न्यायालयातल्या न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण कार्यालया लागीं संपर्क करा
वा टोल फ्री नंबर 151000 चेर फोन करा.